Here are 3 signs that you need to replace your roof today. Let's talk about it. So we're here in Livingston, New Jersey. Our home base is here in Livingston. This job came through a tree guy. A tree fell on the back of the home. He called me up. He said, hey, listen, Junior, the client says he needs a tarp. So I came over, I looked at the situation. He already removed the roof. We put the tarp on it. And then I told him the insurance will pay for most of this roof, if not all of this roof. It was a shock to him. And so we went through the insurance process in order to get this roof approved through the insurance. Also, the tree removal as well. What are the signs that you need to replace your roof? Number 1, obviously it's the most one that everybody calls our office for or calls a different roofing company. There's a leak in my house. So it's raining outside. Maybe there's a northeastern and it's raining really hard and they put this big pot on the floor and it drips, and then you call a roofer. That's obviously the number 1 reason why people will call or replace the roof. So you're walking to one spot, it's leaking in one spot. You go to the back of the house, it's leaking in the back of the house. You go to the attic and you see the leak there as well. So it's everywhere. It's time to change that roof. Number 2, it's shingles that are laying on your lawn or on the backyard, or they're lifted up, or you see them flapping. Obviously, these are the shingles that are loose on your roof. That's a big indicator that it's time to change your roof. Sometimes you're walking around your property and you'll see shingles flying up and down on top of your roof, or you'll see the shingles lying on the back of the lawn and you're wondering, wait, is that my color shingle or is it my neighbor? Neighbor has black, you have a gray, it's definitely your shingle, right? So that's a big indicator that it may be time to change that roof. And you know, especially for the new homeowners, they've been living in an apartment for the past 5 to 7 years and they finally moved to the suburbs and now they have this project of a leaky roof or shingles that are missing. What should they do, right? I would say don't panic, right? Don't panic. Call a local roofer, right, that can help you through the process. I am gonna tell you, there are roofers that are very, very honest. And then there's roofers that are very shysty. And they will sell you something that you really don't need. You may just need a small little repair and not a full roof replacement. You just may need a roof repair and not a full roof replacement. So that's the realities of it. So, you know, I would always say, I always go on Google, I always go on Yelp, I'm going to a restaurant, I want to see the reviews, and I don't look really through them. And you know, you're looking for somebody like 4.7, 4.9. I'm not looking for 5.0 because the 5.0 guy, for me, it's a little sketchy, right? How you got 400 reviews and they're all 5.0. Did you buy the reviews? Because no one's perfect, right? Or something happened at a job site, you took care of it, and they gave you a 4.9. I think I would always lean to that. You know, a guy brought my steak. It was not the way I wanted, but he went back to the kitchen, brought back my steak, and it was fine. I'm gonna give him a 4.9, and you know something, and give him a tip. So number 3 definitely is the wavy roofs, right? Sometimes you'll see a wavy roof and then that really falls down to an install. So somebody installed that roof wrong. When you start seeing those wavy roofs, the nail is not really holding that shingle to the sheathing, and eventually it's gonna fly off. And there's no repairs that can be done, because if one section is all wavy, you have to do the whole slope or the whole section. And then I'm gonna give you definitely a bonus one, right? So the bonus one, it would be definitely the granulate loss on your shingle. So if you ever clean your gutters and you see a lot of granulate loss inside the gutters, there's a problem. It means that now you may have to change your shingles, because the shingles have been there. That's an indicator that your shingles have been on your roof about 15 to 18 years and now it has no protection. A lot of people don't know that those little granulates really protect the fiberglass mat on your roof. So there you have it, guys. 3 reasons why it's ready for you to change your roof, right? You got the extra bonus one. If you're in our area, northern New Jersey, central New Jersey, or Staten Island area, we do that borough as well. Hit me up, DM me, or you know, you can always leave me a message here on YouTube. Keep watching.